Hello again, and welcome back to Instant Nerd. In this tutorial, I am going to guide you on how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone 16. As you can see, the map here is not showing any pinpoints or location markings. Well, this problem can be annoying, however, it can be fixed in a few steps. First of all, swipe down the control center from the top right. Now, check whether the internet connection is turned on or not. Turn on Wi-Fi or cellular network, whatever is available. Now, after turning on the internet connection, go to Settings. From here, go all the way down to the Apps section. Now, scroll through this list of apps to find Maps, and then tap on it. Now, tap on Location and give the Map app your mobile's location access, according to your preference. Moreover, you can also toggle off or toggle on the precise location option, depending on your privacy preferences. And now, access the Map app to check if it's working fine or not. As you can see, it is now showing the location pinpoint, which means it is working just fine. And that's it. This is how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone 16. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more easy tech fixes and guides.